Hey everyone! Today we are setting up OpenCode on macOS. OpenCode is an open-source AI coding agent built right into your terminal and favorite code editors. Before we jump in, make sure you have macOS Sequoia or later running on either Apple Silicon or Intel and internet connection to do the entire process. Let's dive in. Go ahead and Google for OpenCode. The first link is their official website. Click the NPM tab below and copy the code. Now let's open up the Terminal app and paste the code that we copied a while ago, then press Enter. This will now download the necessary files and packages. I just encountered this error. I tried to install it again by adding sudo on the command. This may take a while depending on your internet connection. Now there is some warnings shown on the terminal. Simply copy the second command line that is shown and paste it again from the terminal to execute it. Time to run OpenCode, but another error spits out. Add another sudo OpenCode. Inside the OpenCode terminal interface, connect your AI provider by typing /connect. Choose your provider or use OpenCode Zen. We need API key. Copy the link as shown on the screen and paste it into the browser. Click the Get Started button and sign up using your email or GitHub account. Click the Copy Key button and go back to OpenCode. Paste the key on that window and press Enter to submit. Then we will select our preferred LLM. Press the arrow up on your keyboard, and I will choose DeepSeek V4 Flash Free and press Enter. As for the variant, I will leave it to default. And that's it. You are all set up with OpenCode on macOS. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and happy coding!